47 text messages in one day. Most people would call that an obsession. Mira called it love. It started like a fairy tale. He couldn't get enough of her. By week 4, Mira couldn't breathe without a text from Ryan. And by week 6, she realized it wasn't love. This is how love bombing works, and how Mira finally recognized she was being manipulated. 4 weeks ago, Mira was single and honestly tired of dating.
Any luck on the apps? Same story. Guys who can't hold a conversation or ghost after 2 dates.
Then she matched with Ryan.
Okay, he actually looks interesting.
I read your profile 3 times. Tell me more about your favorite book and why it resonates with you.
Wow, someone who actually reads profiles?
Within an hour, they'd exchanged 40 messages.
Sarah, listen to this message he sent. That's a lot of attention from someone you just matched with. He's just enthusiastic. It's refreshing.
Mira didn't know it yet, but she just entered phase 1 of love bombing. Their first date was intense.
I have to be honest. I haven't felt this connected to someone in years.
Mira's brain was flooding with dopamine, the excitement chemical.
We just met an hour ago.
I know, but sometimes you just know, right? I know this sounds crazy, but I think I could fall for you.
Oh, mine. Oh.
It was overwhelming, but Mira mistook intensity for passion. Before she even got home, Ryan had texted 5 times.
He really likes me. That's good, right?
Love bombing creates a drug-like high. Mira was already hooked. By week 2, Ryan was everywhere. Good morning texts, good night texts, midday check-ins, random thinking of you messages. On day 3 of week 2, Ryan sent 47 messages. Mira couldn't focus at work. Every buzz was Ryan.
It's sweet, but it's a lot. Mira, how many times has he texted today? He just really likes me. What's wrong with that? Nothing's wrong with liking you. But 47 texts in one day? That's not normal.
But Mira wasn't ready to see it as a red flag. Constant contact isn't love. It's control disguised as care. Week 3, Ryan said the words.
Mira, I love you.
It's been only 3 weeks. Ryan, that's really fast.
I know. I'm sorry. I've never felt this way. But if it's too soon for you, I understand.
And there it was, the guilt. She didn't love him. Not yet. But saying it back felt easier than hurting his feelings.
I think I love you too.
Mira said it not because she felt it, but because the pressure was unbearable. Love bombers rush emotional milestones. They want commitment before you have time to think. By week 4, Mira felt smothered. If Mira didn't respond within 10 minutes, Ryan assumed something was wrong. Every boundary Mira tried to set was met with declarations of love and concern.
I feel guilty for wanting space. He says he just loves me and worries about me. Mira, love doesn't make you feel trapped. This isn't healthy. But he's so good to me. He texts constantly, remembers everything I say, wants to spend all his time with me. That's not love. That's love bombing. And it's a manipulation tactic.
Healthy love respects boundaries. Love bombing violates them. That night, Mira Googled something she'd been avoiding. Love bombing. A term she'd heard but never thought applied to her. Love bombing checklist. Excessive texting/calling. Premature I love you. Moving the relationship too fast. Overwhelming compliments. Constant availability demands. Guilt when you set boundaries. Isolation from friends or family. Every single sign. Ryan had done every single one. Love bombing isn't about genuine love. It's about control. The goal? Make you so addicted to their attention that you can't imagine life without them. And then, once you're hooked, the love bombing stops. This was just phase 1. If Mira didn't leave now, devaluation would come next. Mira made a decision. The next day, Mira ended it.
Ryan, I need to talk to you about us.
Okay, what's going on?
This relationship is moving too fast for me. I need space.
Too fast? Mira, I thought we were in love. I thought you felt the same way I do.
I said I loved you because I felt pressured. It's been only 5 weeks, Ryan. We barely know each other.
But all those conversations, all that time together, that doesn't mean anything.
It means we moved too fast. I need time. And you texting me 47 times a day isn't healthy.
I was just showing I care. I thought that's what you wanted.
What I want is to feel like I can breathe. This is too much. I'm sorry.
Mira didn't wait for permission to leave. She just left. For the first time in 5 weeks, Mira could breathe. The texts kept coming, but Mira didn't answer. Love bombers don't accept rejection easily. But Mira had learned to recognize manipulation. 2 weeks later, Mira looked back with clarity.
How do you feel?
Honestly, I feel relieved and a little embarrassed. I didn't see it sooner.
Don't be embarrassed. Love bombing is designed to be hard to spot.
Here's what Mira learned. Watch for these red flags. Red flag number 1, too much too soon. Constant texting, 20+ times a day. I love you within weeks. Talks about future, marriage, kids immediately. Red flag number 2, guilt as a weapon. Makes you feel bad for needing space. I just care about you so much. Every boundary is met with hurt feelings. Red flag number 3, isolation tactics. Wants all your time and attention. Gets upset when you see friends. Creates dependency. You're the only one who understands me. Red flag number 4, intensity that feels off. Overwhelming compliments, pedestalizing. Acts like you're soulmates after 2 dates. No relationship should feel this intense, this fast. Real love builds gradually. It respects your space. It doesn't overwhelm you. Love bombing feels like the best relationship of your life, until it becomes the worst. Mira got out early. before the devaluation, before the real damage. In the previous episode, Mira wasn't this lucky. She experienced the devastating effects of gaslighting in her relationship with Alex. Through her struggle, she learned valuable lessons and ultimately reclaimed her sanity. Watch Mira's journey through gaslighting to see how she made a remarkable comeback.
Subscribe to follow Mira's psychological growth journey.
These stories hit different, don't they? Because they're not just stories, they're mirrors. You see yourself in them. I'm Professor Brainwell, and I'm here to help you process what you just watched. So here's my question. What's the one thing from today's episode that you're taking with you? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one, and if someone in your life needs to see this, share it with them. Sometimes the right story at the right time changes everything. Subscribe to follow Milo and Mira's journey. New episodes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. See you next time.